energy is called latent heat of fusion. Similarly, latent heat of condensation, latent heat of melting, latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vaporization, all have the latent heat. The word latent means pseudo. P-S-U-E-D-O, pseudo. Pseudo means hidden. Pseudo means false. So it is a pseudo heat. This heat cannot be calculated by using thermometer. So latent heat of any kind, latent heat of fusion, latent heat of melting, latent heat of condensation, latent heat of evaporation, vaporization, any kind of latent heat cannot be measured by using thermometer. For that you have to use the calorimeter. So that latent heat cannot be measured in thermometer because it is not recorded there, because there is no kinetic energy changing at that point. That's why, and the definition is there, unit mass of substance required the amount of heat to melt itself is called latent heat of fusion. I think this definition is also to be made clear. Similarly, vaporization and boiling is there. I believe my time is now getting reduced. So, I believe you must go for some self-testing procedure of yours, all objective questions as far as possible. You must try and get the answers ready without seeing the answers alternatives. Do answer on yourself and then check. And subjective questions, I believe it is to be given for first 5 questions you can try. First 5 questions from textbook, page number 16. You should go in writing in your own exercise copy as such. So I keep it up to here. I keep it up to here that melting point and the freezing point. Vaporization will be our next topic of study. It is in page number 9. So I wish you all the best. Be indoors, be safe, and fight novel coronavirus. Don't come out, please. Stay home.